What if the smartest SUV you could buy today isn't the newest, fastest, or even the most high-tech? What if the real winner is the one that simply refuses to break down year after year, mile after mile? Because here's the reality most car buyers don't hear about in flashy advertisements. The average SUV can cost thousands every year in maintenance, unexpected repairs, and depreciation, but a handful of models quietly defy that trend. These are the SUVs that owners keep for decades, the ones mechanics rarely see in the shop, the ones that can cross 200,000, even 400,000 miles with nothing more than routine maintenance. Today on Car Guide Hub, we're counting down 9 SUVs that practically refuse to die and revealing 2 popular models you may want to avoid if long-term reliability matters to you. The SUV market has exploded over the past decade. Whether you're shopping in the United States or Europe, crossovers and luxury SUVs dominate the road. And with the arrival of EVs, hybrid powertrains, and advanced driver assistance technology, the next generation of SUVs promises more innovation than ever before. But here's the catch: cutting-edge technology doesn't always translate into long-term durability. While automakers race to deliver future cars packed with autonomous features and electrified drivetrains, many buyers still want something simpler, an SUV that will last 10, 15, or even 20 years without draining their bank account. That's why reliability still matters more than horsepower or touchscreen size. In this video, we're looking at 9 SUVs known for exceptional durability, low maintenance costs, and strong resale value. Some are affordable crossovers. Others are full-size luxury machines that have become legends in the automotive world. And by the end, you'll know which SUVs are worth keeping for life and which ones could quietly cost you thousands. Starting at number 9 is the Subaru Outback from Subaru. Few vehicles have shaped the modern crossover segment like the Outback. When it debuted in the 1990s, it essentially reinvented the station wagon, adding rugged styling, higher ride height, and Subaru's signature symmetrical all-wheel drive. The result was a vehicle that could handle snowy mountain roads, dirt trails, and daily commuting without missing a beat. Reliability is where the Outback really shines. Many owners report well over 200,000 miles with only routine maintenance, and examples crossing 300,000 are not uncommon. The naturally aspirated boxer engines are known for durability, and Subaru's all-wheel drive system distributes power evenly over time, reducing wear on components over time. If you're shopping used, the 2020 generation strikes a sweet spot. It introduced a more modern interior, improved safety systems, and a stronger turbocharged engine option without sacrificing the rugged reliability the Outback is known for. At number 8 is the Toyota RAV4 from Toyota. The RAV4 has become one of the best-selling SUVs in the world, and reliability is a huge reason why. Toyota built this SUV around a simple formula: proven engines, conservative engineering, and components designed to last far longer than most drivers expect. It's not unusual to see RAV4s with 300,000 miles still running on their original engines and transmissions. And then there's resale value. Few vehicles hold their value like the RAV4. Even high-mileage examples often command impressive prices on the used market, which means owners lose far less money to depreciation compared to many competitors. In other words, the RAV4 isn't just reliable, it's financially smart. Number 7 is the Acura RDX from Acura. This SUV is one of the most underrated luxury crossovers on the market. While buyers often chase German brands, the RDX quietly delivers premium comfort with far fewer maintenance headaches. One key reason is its mechanical roots. Earlier RDX models shared powertrains with reliable Honda vehicles, including the durable 3.5-liter V6 used in several mainstream models. That means you're getting luxury touches, leather interiors, premium audio systems, advanced safety features, paired with engineering designed to last well past 150,000 miles. For buyers who want luxury without the long-term repair bills associated with many European SUVs, the RDX is a compelling alternative. Coming in at number 6 is the Hyundai Santa Fe from Hyundai. A decade ago, Hyundai wasn't widely associated with long-term reliability, but the Santa Fe helped change that perception dramatically. One of its biggest advantages is the industry-leading warranty, a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain guarantee. That alone provides a level of peace of mind few competitors can match. Beyond the warranty, real-world reliability has proven strong. Many owners report crossing 200,000 miles with only routine service. Combine that with competitive pricing, modern technology, and solid fuel economy, and the Santa Fe becomes one of the most sensible mid-size SUV choices available today. At number 5, we step into the luxury world with the Lexus LX from Lexus. Underneath its luxurious interior, the LX shares its DNA with the legendary Land Cruiser platform, and that platform has earned a reputation as one of the toughest automotive architectures ever built. In extreme environments, from deserts in the Middle East to remote regions of Africa, these vehicles routinely accumulate 400,000 or even 500,000 miles. The LX simply wraps that mechanical durability in leather, advanced suspension systems, and premium technology. Fuel economy isn't its strong suit, but the trade-off is incredible longevity and resale value. Used LX models often retain astonishing prices because buyers know they're purchasing one of the most durable luxury SUVs ever made. At number 4 is the Mazda CX-5 from Mazda. Mazda has built a reputation for making vehicles that are both enjoyable to drive and mechanically robust, and the CX-5 is a perfect example. Unlike many compact SUVs that rely on continuously variable transmissions, the CX-5 uses a traditional 6-speed automatic gearbox. That design choice alone improves long-term durability and reduces the risk of costly transmission repairs. Owners frequently report 200,000 miles or more with proper maintenance, and the driving experience stands out in the segment. The steering feels sharper, the suspension more composed, and the interior materials feel closer to premium brands than mainstream competitors. For drivers who want reliability without sacrificing driving enjoyment, the CX-5 delivers. Number 3 is the Subaru Forester, another standout from Subaru. The Forester has built an almost cult-like following among drivers who value practicality and durability. With standard all-wheel drive, excellent visibility, and impressive safety scores, it has become a favorite for families and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Early CVT transmission issues raised concerns years ago, but Subaru addressed those problems through improved designs and maintenance guidelines. With regular fluid changes, many Foresters easily surpass 200,000 miles. Combine that reliability with strong resale values and outstanding safety ratings, and it's easy to see why this SUV remains a long-term favorite. At number 2, we have the Honda CR-V from Honda. For decades, the CR-V has been the benchmark compact SUV. Its success comes from a simple combination: efficient engines, smart interior packaging, and engineering that prioritizes longevity. Some early 2000s CR-V models are now approaching 500,000 miles. That level of durability is rare in the automotive world. The latest generation adds improved fuel efficiency, advanced driver assistance technology, and a more refined cabin, yet Honda has managed to preserve the qualities that made the CR-V famous: simplicity and reliability. And finally, at number 1, the Honda HR-V. The HR-V may be smaller than many SUVs on this list, but its reputation for durability is impressive. Built on Honda's reliable engineering platform, the HR-V offers excellent fuel economy, low insurance costs, and remarkably low maintenance requirements. Owners frequently report 150,000 to 200,000 miles with minimal repairs, making it one of the most cost-effective SUVs to own over the long term. For drivers who prioritize efficiency, practicality, and long-term ownership, the HR-V quietly delivers exceptional value. Before we move on, let's talk about 2 SUVs you might want to think twice about. The first is the Jeep Wrangler from Jeep. There's no denying the Wrangler's legendary off-road capability and iconic design, but recent models have struggled with reliability concerns, ranging from electrical glitches to suspension issues, including the notorious death wobble. Repair costs can quickly add up, especially once the warranty expires. The second is the Ford Explorer from Ford, particularly certain models from the 2010s. While the Explorer remains a popular family SUV, those generations were plagued by transmission problems and water pump failures that often required expensive repairs. For buyers focused on long-term reliability, these issues can make ownership far more costly than expected. So what's the real secret behind SUVs that last forever? It's not flashy technology or cutting-edge design. In most cases, it's conservative engineering. Brands like Toyota, Honda, and Subaru tend to prioritize proven mechanical systems rather than constantly reinventing them. Engines evolve slowly, transmissions are refined over multiple generations, and components are tested extensively before reaching production. That philosophy may not generate headlines like futuristic EV concept cars or experimental powertrains, but it creates vehicles that owners can depend on for decades. As the automotive industry transitions towards electrification and increasingly complex technology, this balance between innovation and durability will become even more important. The SUVs that win the future may not just be the most advanced, they'll be the ones that still work flawlessly after 200,000 miles. At the end of the day, the smartest SUV isn't always the one with the lowest sticker price or the most aggressive styling. It's the one that protects your wallet over time. Vehicles like the Outback, RAV4, CR-V, and Lexus LX prove that reliability can save drivers tens of thousands of dollars over the life of a car. Fewer repairs, lower insurance costs, and stronger resale values add up in a big way. And as we move towards a future filled with electrified SUVs, advanced driver assistance systems, and new automotive technologies, long-term durability will remain one of the most valuable qualities a car can have. Now we want to hear from you. Which SUV would you trust to drive for the next 10 or even 20 years? And is there a model you believe deserves to be on this list? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of reliable SUVs, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Car Guide Hub. We cover everything from luxury SUVs and EVs to future cars and cutting-edge automotive innovation, because the smartest car decisions today are the ones that still make sense years down the road.